Neighbor while gardening. We are in a mental health crisis. I always hate that she includes me in this, but this is not a time for debate. I nod, because what else can I do? I always hate that she includes me in this. I dig at the soil, root beneath the weed, and I nod, because what else can I do? It's not like my words will be heard. I dig at the soil, root beneath the weed, and vow quietly that I will not accept it. It's not like my words will be heard. There is no way to prevent this. Vow quietly that we will not accept it. This is not a time for debate. There is no way to deny that we are in a mental health crisis. Neighbor. She's always presumed to know me. The nods of passion, the performative sorrows, the embracing we of her promulgations, her thoughts and prayers, that I never contradict her. We are in a mental health crisis. She and I, she's right, we certainly are. I never contradict her. Nod in weariness, stir the earth with a hand rake, seek root beneath the weed. Here, in this space, I am silent and unforgiving. My vows are wordless. On what soil would we debate? There's no way to prevent this. I look at her desperate certainty, my knees in supplication.